4 AI agents that can run your entire digital life. 2 of them keep the AI locked in a box. The other 2 give it the keys to everything. Nanoclaw takes security seriously. Every time your AI runs a task, it runs inside an isolated container. Think of it like a locked room. The AI can do its work, but it cannot access your passwords, your private keys, or your personal files. If you're in a group chat, each group gets its own locked room. One group cannot see another group's data. The downside? Nanoclaw only works with one AI model, Claude. And right now it mainly supports WhatsApp. If you need Telegram or Discord, this isn't the one. Zeroclaw is built in Rust, the same language used for high-performance system software. It compiles down to a single file you can drop onto almost any machine, including a $35 Raspberry Pi. It supports over 12 different AI models out of the box. Want to use OpenAI today and switch to Gemini tomorrow? Just change a setting. No code changes needed. Memory is built in. Your AI remembers past conversations using a local database. No cloud service required, no extra setup. On security, Zeroclaw is strict by default. The AI can only run commands you've approved ahead of time. It can't access system folders. It can't run destructive commands. There's even a built-in spending cap so your API build doesn't spiral out of control. The security system behind all of this? 21 dedicated files. This isn't an afterthought. It's a core feature. Now OpenClaw. This is the big one. 5 messaging platforms: WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, iMessage, and more. 52 skill packages. Voice activation, live canvas, scheduled tasks, multi-agent routing. If a feature exists, OpenClaw probably has it. Here's the trade-off. OpenClaw gives the AI the same level of access as you have on your computer. There is a sandbox option, but it's turned off by default. One of its own skill packages is literally called Yolo Mode. No safety checks, no approvals. It's also resource-heavy. 57 software packages need to be installed just to run it. And if something goes wrong, the retry system can loop up to 160 times, each loop costing you money on your API bill. If you have a dedicated server in a secure environment and you want maximum features, OpenClaw delivers. Just understand what you're opting into. Nanobot is the lightweight option. Written in Python, about 15,000 lines of code. It connects to 13 different messaging platforms out of the box, more than any of the others. It's designed for developers who want to understand exactly how their AI agent works. The entire codebase is small enough to read in an afternoon. The security model is basic. It blocks obvious dangerous commands, but a knowledgeable user could get around those blocks. There's no safety container like Nanoclaw or Zeroclaw. For a personal project you control, that's fine. For anything shared, keep that in mind. So which one should you use? Want maximum features and you have a secure setup? OpenClaw. Want your AI locked down and you're happy with Claude? Nanoclaw. Want speed, flexibility, and the best security controls? Zeroclaw. Want something simple you can learn from and tinker with? Nanobot. Every claim in this video comes from reading the actual source code. The full report is linked below.